In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change password on iPhone. To change your password on your iPhone, it's very simple and very basic to do. The first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's go to my settings. As you can see, we are now inside the settings of my phone. So what I want you to do here, I want you to scroll down. So I want you to scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. So let's tap on Face ID and passcode. So once you tap on Face ID and passcode, it will ask you to put in your iPhone current password. So let's put in that now. So once you put in your current iPhone password, it will load up the Face ID and password um, page for you. So what do you want to do from here? I want you to scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. When you scroll down a little bit, you are going to see where it says change passcode. So I want you to tap on that change passcode. So it will ask you to put in your password again. So once you put in your current password, it will load up a page for you. On this page, what you have to do here, you have to put in your new password that you want to use. So let's put in our new password. Then it will ask you to put in the new password again, just like a confirmation page. So you want to put in the password again. So once you put in the password again, it will load up for you. So let's wait for that to load up. So guys, as you can see now, our password has just been changed successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually change your password on iPhone.